Hi students, good morning everybody. In the continuation of set theory by George Cantor, today we are going to see the representation of sets. I told you there are three ways to represent the sets. First one is description method. Second one is roster form or list form. Third one, set builder form or rule form. Usually we represent the sets by three types: description, roster form or list form, set builder form or rule form. Okay. First we will see the roster form or tabular form. Roster form or list form or tabular form, anyway it is same. In this method, the elements of the set under consideration are written inside a pair of curly braces and are separated by commas. You look at here once. One statement is given here. If P is the set of last 4 months of the year, one statement is given, that is called a description form. One statement is given, that is called a description form. Description form. P is equal to, what are the last 4 months of the year? Last 4 months of the year: September, October, November, December. Okay. So what are the 4 months of the year? What are the 4 months of the year? Last 4 months of the year: September, October, November, December. Okay. If P is the set of last 4 months of the year, one statement is given here, that is called description method. Then we can write it in the form of roster form, set builder form. I'll tell you later. Roster form is what? September, October, November, December. Okay. If Q is the set of counting numbers, what is counting numbers? Natural numbers, right? I told you counting numbers or natural numbers, both are same. If Q is the set of counting numbers less than 6, that is called the description method. Q equal to less than 6 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is called the roster form. Okay. So when we are given description form, we can write it in the roster form. Okay. Once again I'll tell you. First one is roster form or tabular form. In this method, the elements of the set under consideration are written inside a pair of curly braces and are separated by commas. Suppose if P is the set of last 4 months of the year, that is called one statement, it is called description form. We can write it in the roster form. So P equal to set of, separate the months by commas: September, October, November, December. What are the last 4 months of the year? September, October, November, December. So we can write in the roster form. So in the roster form, we separate the elements by commas. If Q is the set of counting numbers less than 6, what is meant by counting numbers? I told you natural numbers starts from 1. Less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called roster form. Okay. Now let us see some problems on this. Did you understand the concept? Roster form or tabular form. They will give us description form, so we will write in the roster form. Look at here once. Write each given set. Question. write each given set in the roster form. In the roster form. Okay. First question. All prime numbers between between 1 and 20. 1 and 20. This is called description form, right? This is called description form. I will say second question. First let me write the questions. The squares of the first 4 natural numbers. The squares of the first 4. The first 4 natural numbers. Even numbers between 1 and 9. Third one. Even numbers between 1 and 9. Fourth one. The first 8 letters. The first 8 letters. The first 8 letters of the English alphabet. Okay, let us see this first one. First solution we will see for this. Write each of the given set in the roster form. We are given all the description forms. I will write in the roster form. Okay, roster form. Let me take all prime numbers between 1 and 20. Let me take that set as A equal to set of. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 20? That you should know. What are the prime numbers? 2. Prime numbers means what did I tell you? Factors, numbers which have 1 and itself as factors. So 2. There should be no other common factor other than 1 and itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 19. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Between 1 and 20. Okay. 2 is even prime number. I told you. 1 is neither prime nor composite. You remember always that. Okay. So answer is this. So here roster form. So how do we write roster form? Let me take set B here. The squares of the first 4 natural numbers. What are the first 4 natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So squares they are saying. Squares means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. That's all. The squares of the first 4 natural numbers. So squares means you should take 1 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 2. So they are squares. So you can write that is, you can simplify this. B equal to 1 square means 1 only, no? 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 square means 3 into 3. 2 times you have to multiply. 4 square means 4 into 4, 16. Clear? So here I will say roster form. C equal to even numbers between 1 and 9. I told you even numbers means numbers which are divisible by exactly divisible by 2. So between 1 and 9 means 2, 4, 6, 8. Next number 10. So but it is between 1 and 9. What are the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8. These all should be divisible by, exactly divisible by 2. Okay, even numbers. The first 8 letters of the word roster form. Let me take the set D. What are the first 8 letters of the English alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So whenever we are given the description form, we can write them in the roster form. Roster form means, remember that elements are separated by commas with curly braces. Curly brackets are braces. Okay. Let us see some more. Next one. Fifth one. Fifth one, the letters of the word. The letters of the word. The letters of the word basket. Basket. The letters of the word basket. Sixth one. 4 cities of India. 4 cities of India whose names start with the letter J. Now we are giving all description forms with the letter J. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Geometrical figures. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Vowels used in the word. Vowels used in the word Monday. Single digit number that are perfect squares as well. Single digit numbers that are perfect squares. Perfect squares as well. Okay. Let me see the answers. The letters of the word basket. Answer. Roster form. What did they give here? Description form. We are writing it in the roster form. Let me take set A again. Equal to, what are the letters of the word basket? B is there. Though they give capital letters, write the small letters in the set brackets. Okay. B, A, S, K, E, T. There is no repetition, no? So B, A, S, K, E, T. There is no repetition, so we will write all the letters there. Answer. Roster form. Let me take one set here. B. 4 cities of India whose names start with letter J. So Jaipur, start with J. Jaipur. Jodhpur, Jalandhar and Jhansi. These are the 4 cities. These are the 4 cities of India whose names start with the letter J. Okay. Answer. Roster form. Let me take C. What is our question? Any 4 closed geometrical figures. Triangle. Closed figure only, no? Triangle. Square. Okay. Quadrilateral. Any 4 geometrical figures you can write. Pentagon. Okay. Your wish. Any 4 we can write. Next. Vowels of the word. Vowels of the word. Monday. What are the vowels here? Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. From this word, what are the vowels? O and A. That's all, no? So, O, comma, A. That's all. Vowels. Roster form. Let me take E. Single digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. 0 is a perfect square. 1 is also a perfect square. 4, 2 square, perfect square. 9, 3 square, perfect square. 2 square means 4. 3 square means 9. They are also perfect squares. Next perfect square is 16, but it is 2 digit number. So they asked single digit numbers that are perfect squares as well. So 0, 1, 4, 9. So this is the when the description form is given, we can write them in the roster form. Hope it is clear. So next in the next class I will tell you set builder form or rule form. So description form, roster form, set builder form or rule form. Okay, be ready. Thank you.